I guess Zara does have an elevator. I thought it didn't earlier, but I guess it does. Yes, it is. Thank you. Alright, this is the elevator at Zara. And, wow. Okay, that's a first. I've never seen that happen before. I don't even know how that happens. Anyways, this is the elevator at Zara, King of Prussia Mall. Oh my god. You could unscrew it. It's unbelievable. Here it comes up. And just like most every Zara elevator that I filmed, this one is also beat up. Oh my god. Elevator 59. Hi. Holy crap. Wow, this is just beautiful. This thing runs horribly. Alright, motor. Jesus. Oh my god. This thing runs so bad. Unbelievable. Just look at all the damage. Damage on the door, damage on this panel, damage on that panel. There's some scratches on the glass, damage all over here, damage all over the door. There's a lot of scratches on the buttons. The 59's coming off. I could name things for like a good maybe 1 minute of how bad this thing is. This thing is horrible. I'll check the interlock upstairs. And just re-level here. And didn't even re-level correctly, I just under-level. This one sucks. Alright, that's it.